Namaste. My leg is hurt. I had an accident.
जोरदार ताली बजाई दिनुहोस् न 1 2 3 हजुर थ्याङ्क यू सो मच धन्यवाद So we have seen Mr. Harry from the cultural.
Patrons and the member organizations of the chairperson of the member organizations, representative of the various NGOs, distinguished guests, media representatives, performers, booth presenters, volunteers, our lovely parents and children, and dear ladies and gentlemen. Namaste and a very warm welcome to you all. It is my immense pleasure to stand before you today on this auspicious occasion of the Cultural Harmony Carnival Inclusive and Happy Hong Kong 2025, organized by the Hong Kong Nepalese Federation in celebration of the Lunar New Year. I sincerely thank you for taking the time to join us and share in the wonderful celebration of the diversity, unity and the cultural harmony. Established in the 1998, Hong Kong Nepalese Federation has served as the umbrella organization for Nepalese Association in Hong Kong. Our core belief is in fostering unity while upholding our unique ethnic, linguistic and cultural identities. Over the years, we have grown into the strong network of the 33 Nepalese organizations actively contributing to different aspects of the society. While our initial focus was primarily on supporting our own Nepalese community, in 2005, we realized the need to integrate further, collaborate with the government departments and address local concerns. This led to initiatives such as training and the integration programs, seminars, workshops, and community outreach service to assist ethnic minority in the Hong Kong. One of our products milestone come in the 2016 when the Hong Kong government recognized our effort and entrusted us with the community support team for Nepalese Community State Project. This initiative was allowed to us to expand our services and host events like this Harmony Culture and Carnival and the Culture Talent Show, which is supported by the Home Affairs Department. Today's event is the witness of our commitment in the inclusion, respect, and the multicultural understanding. No matter our language, culture, or tradition, we are all part of the Hong Kong, and we take great pride in the contributing to its prosperity. Our journey will have been possible without the unwavering support of the various government agencies, organizations, and the individuals who believe in the value of the diversity and the inclusion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Home Affairs Department, various other departments, Yau Chi Mang District Police, Yau Chi Mang Police, Hong Kong Police Force, just like the DAV, and NGO, other ethnic minority organizations for their continuous support of the Nepalese and the wider ethnic minority community. I also deeply appreciate the effort of the ethnic minority leaders who continue to advocate for our community and work hand in hand with the government to find the meaningful solution to our shared challenges. As we celebrate the wonderful occasion together, let us embrace the spirit of the Lunar New Year 2025, which symbolizes the renewal, prosperity, and the happiness. May this New Year bring good health, success, and the unity to all of us. Once again, thank you for your presence and the support. Let us continue to work together to make Hong Kong an even more inclusive, diverse, and the harmonious home for all. Enjoy the carnival and have a happy Chinese New Year to you all. Thank you so much.
Program organized on the auspicious occasion of Lunar Chinese New Year 2025, representing the Consulate General of Nepal, Hong Kong, where this festive session embrace the spirit of renewal, unity, and of hope between the people residing in Hong Kong, especially people between Nepal and Hong Kong. This year ahead, symbolized by the Year of the Snake, evokes quality of wisdom, resilience, and adaptability attributes that are deeply valued in both our Nepali and Chinese cultures. In our view, the celebration we partake in today not only mark the beginning of new lunar cycle, but also remind us the rich cultural tapestry we share in this with our vibrant community here in Hong Kong. While celebrating this festival with you all today, I commend the Hong Kong Nepalese Federation for its unwavering commitment to fostering cultural exchange, promoting mutual respect, and strengthening the bonds between our communities. Your efforts empowers our youth presence, preserve our tradition, and ensure that the rich heritage of Nepal in both celebrated and appreciated in the multicultural heritage. Also equally feel proud to share you that your endless efforts to protect the Nepali people here in Hong Kong has made unerasable mark in their heart. This year, as we reflect on the milestone we have achieved and the challenge we have navigated together, may we look forward to a future marked by collaboration, kindness, and understanding. Let us grasp the teachings of the past, the opportunity of the present, and the promise of the future as we embark on this new journey together. On behalf of Consulate General of Nepal, Hong Kong, wish to extend hearty wishes for prosperous, joyful, and healthy New Year to each of you. May this year of snake bring you and your family abundant happiness and success in your all endeavors. Thank you once again for your kindness and hospitality. Let us celebrate this New Year with joy, hope, and renewed spirit of togetherness. Ponge Phacho. आदरणीय आमा बुवा दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, कार्यक्रमका सभापतिज्यू, कार्यक्रममा उपस्थित हुनुभएका सम्पूर्ण अतिथिगण, यहाँहरूलाई चाइनिज नयाँ वर्षको अवसरमा हार्दिक शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छौँ। नेपाल जहाँ यहाँ तपाईहरु अहिले म यहाँ हङकङ आउँदै गर्दा मलाई अघिल्लो वर्ष चाइनिज नयाँ वर्षको त्यति धेरै महसुस भएको थिएन। सायद यो कोभिड पेन्डेमिकको कारणले थियो होला, तर यो वर्ष क्रमशः जब चाइनिज नयाँ वर्षको सेलिब्रेसनको उत्सव बढ्दै गयो, हैन सिगार पटारहरू अगाडि बढ्दै गयो, त्यसपछि त्यसले हाम्रो देशको दशैं तिहार जस्तो एउटा सांस्कृतिक वातावरण सिर्जना गरेर हामी सबैलाई छुयो र हामी मलाई लाग्छ लामो समय तपाईँहरू यहाँ बस्दै गर्नुभएको हुनाले यसले तपाईँहरूको माइन्डमा जति डिपली रुटेड भएको छ अझ हामीले पनि त्यही स्तरमा यसलाई सेलिब्रेट गर्ने अवसर पाएका छौँ र हाम्रो संस्कार हाम्रो संस्कृति एकअर्कामा अन्तर्कुलन हुने स्थिति सिर्जना भएको छ र यो अवसरमा यहाँहरू सबैलाई शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु र नेपाली माओवादी दूतावास हङकङको तर्फबाट र मलाई अर्को एउटा अनुरोध पनि के छ भने हाम्रो कन्सुलेट र हाम्रो समुदायको बिचमा केही डिस्टेन्सहरू छन्। तपाईँहरूलाई लाग्छ हामीले यसो काम गर्ने सिलसिलामा कतै अलिकति सहज तरिकाले काम नगरिदिएको हो कि कतै अलिकति दुःख दिनेको खोजेको हो कि जस्तो पनि लाग्ने गर्छ र हामीलाई पनि कहिलेकाहीँ के लाग्ने गर्छ भने एकदम इफोर्ट लगाउँदै पनि सक्सेस नभइरहेको समुदाय खुसी नभइरहेको देख्दाखेरि हामीलाई के लाग्छ भने उहाँहरू पनि कतै अलि धेरै पो नेगेटिभ हुनुभएको हो कि जस्तो पनि लाग्छ। मलाई एकजना मभन्दा धेरै सम्भवतः मेरो उमेरको दोब्बर उमेरको एकजना अङ्कलले भन्नुभएको थियो आज यो अवस्था कसरी यस्तो सिर्जना भयो यसको जवाब तपाईँहरूले दिनुपर्छ भन्नुभएको थियो। मैले त्यसपछि के भनेको थिएँ भने यसको जवाब मलाई भन्दा तपाईँहरूसँग राम्रो छ। मैले यो किन भनेको भने यो अवसरमा यो सुगन्धमय अवसरमा तपाईँहरू र हाम्रा बिचको सम्बन्ध अझ प्रगाढ हुने एउटा स्थिति सिर्जना बनोस् जो एउटा टुगेदरनेसको एउटा फ्रेन्डसिपनेसको एउटा स्थिति जो अहिले मैले देख्दैछु सबैतिर एउटा उमङ्ग जो छाएको छ चिनिया नयाँ वर्षको अवसरमा सम्भवतः हाम्रा बिचको डिस्टेन्सहरू हाम्रो बिचमा जो एउटा दूरी छ हामीलाई के लाग्छ भने यत्रो मिहिनेत गरिरहेछ फेरि पनि हुँदैन अनि तपाईँहरूलाई के लाग्छ भने यत्रो सारा कागजात प्रेसको फेरि पनि हुँदैन अनि के भएको हो भन्ने जस्तो जो एउटा डिस्टेन्सको अवस्था छ यो हामीले हटाउनुपर्छ। संसारभरि यद्यपि ब्युरोक्रेसी जो कर्मचारी तन्त्र भन्छ त्यो त्यति सुध्रिएको अवस्थामा त्यो त्यति धेरै राम्रो अवस्थामा सबैका सम्बोधन गरेको अवस्था त छैन। अब हाम्रो जस्तो देशको अवस्था पक्कै पनि केही छ। त्यसैले यिनी कुराहरूलाई पनि सायद के मिटिगेट गर्ने यो चाइनिज न्यू इयरले भूमिका खेल्नेछ भन्ने शुभेच्छा राख्दै यहाँहरू सबैलाई विशेष धन्यवाद दिँदै हाम्रो अध्यक्षज्यू धेरै मेहनत गर्नुभएको छ त मैले अघि यहाँ पनि टेक्स्टमा भनेको थिएँ र उहाँहरूले हामी यहाँ आउने बित्तिकै हामीलाई के सुन्थ्यौँ भने यहाँ धेरै सङ्घ संस्थाहरू हुनुहुन्छ त्यसमा पनि एउटा फेडरेसन छ उसले चाहिँ नि पहिले विभिन्न तपाईँको कुलतमा फसेका युवाहरूलाई माथि ल्याउनेदेखि लिएर नेपाल र हङकङ बिचको नेपाल र चाइना बिचको कल्चरल एउटा टुगेदरनेस ल्याउनेमा ठुलो भूमिका खेलेको छ भनेर हामीले सुन्दा एकदमै गर्व लाग्थ्यो र आज पनि तपाईँहरूको मन मस्तिष्कमा यो संस्था यसरी बसेको र यतिका मान्छेहरूको उपस्थिति भएको देख्दा एकदमै खुसी लाग्यो र तपाईँहरूले हामीलाई यहाँ निम्त्याउनु भयो यसको लागि पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।
Hong Kong Nepalese Federation on the auspicious the occasion of the Lunar Chinese New Year 2025. Supported by, sponsored by Home Affairs Department. This is the program, Carnival Cultural Harmony, Inclusive and Caring Hong Kong, begin. So, I just want to count 1, 2, 3, okay? So, सबैजनाले जोरदार ताली बजाइदिनुहोस् न। 1, 2, 3. हजुर, thank you so much. धन्यवाद। Thank you. यहाँ सबैजनाले यो मायाको